Starting with two parallel highway lanes, such as those found in the default three-way highway intersection, go down to the roads menu at the bottom and select the two-lane road or something equivalent. Using the two-lane road, connect your two highway segments together, and this will give us a grid at the bottom, which we will use as a reference to find the exact middle between these two lanes. Clicking on the furthest point away in our grid in the middle of the two lanes, draw another road segment downwards. From here, we can connect the two highway lanes to the closest end of our new road segment, and then go back and delete the original road connecting the two highways together. Now this will be the basic layout of our highway exit, and all we need to do is upgrade our new lanes to the desired road type. I recommend upgrading the angled roads to highways, and then the straight road segment at the bottom to either a 6-lane arterial or a 4-lane collector, depending on the volume of traffic that you're expecting to be exiting the highway. In the event that you're using a 4-lane collector, the highway exit lanes should be changed to 2-lane highways so that we follow lane mathematics. Here are examples of this highway exit being used in our city Lakewood, with the left being a highway exit to a 4-lane collector leading to a low-density residential, and the right being a highway exit to a 6-lane arterial leading to a high-density residential. I hope this highway exit works well in everyone's city. If you have any tips or tricks you would like to share about highway exits, please do so for myself and others in the comments below. Thank you all very much for watching. Please leave a like or dislike down below to let me know what you thought about this video, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see everybody in the next episode.